So as you can hear, the cicadas are in full force. The truck behind me is my 1976 FJ55. It's a beautiful summer day here in Virginia. And you know what we do in Virginia on nice summer days? We have an excellent summer evening by the river. We're gonna take this truck down to the river close to my house, and we're gonna four-wheel drive her down there to this cabin that I know about. We'll do a little camp out. I've never taken this truck off-road, and we're gonna see how she does. Come on along for the journey.
It's gonna be sick.
Y'all ready to go? I know I'm ready for a damn good camping trip. Let's roll out. So we're here at the local Safeway, getting some supplies before we go into the forest, getting some steak fillets. It's gonna be an incredible evening, eating like kings. Finishing loading up the essentials here. We're about to go cross country on this 2,500 acre farm. I'm at my buddy Evan's place right now, and we're gonna follow JJ and his four-wheeler out to this cabin that we're gonna camp at tonight.
Get it. They're locked.
First time this thing ever seen some mud, as long as I've seen it. We just made it down to the cabin. Let's go check out the creek. There she is. we'll be spending the evening tonight. It's one of the most incredible spots I know about here in Virginia. It's definitely a euphoric state being out here right now. Chris, out the water, dude.
Fantastic. Brilliant.
So it's the part of the camping trip where we're just hanging out. We're preparing our food. We have a pork shoulder. We have a ton of steaks, mushrooms, you name it. It's gonna be one heck of a feast. I don't know any other way to eat food like that except at a campfire with all your best friends. I gotta say that driving my FJ55 down here was agonizing, super scary. I've never really four-wheel drive before, especially in that vehicle, but she did awesome. Obviously you'll see in the footage that I did get stuck, but we did get her out by locking the hubs because we just came down in 4-low in two-wheel drive. So tomorrow morning it'll be really interesting to see if she can make it out, and we'll bring you along for the ride. Morning. We made it through the night, and let me tell you, it was absolutely incredible. The weather was perfect, the food was even better, and my sleep was immaculate. So we're getting ready to pack up this old truck here and four-wheel drive right out of here through that mud puddle again, praying that I get through it, and then the trip will be over. We'll see you when we're four-wheel driving. So that's gonna be the conclusion of this trip and this episode. This old girl did fantastic. If you've been following the channel for quite some time, you would have seen me pick up this truck on a trailer with a hole in the block this big and build her all the way up to the point that we were able to wheel her yesterday. I wanna give a huge thank you to JJ, the property caretaker of the farm we were on yesterday, for letting us drive on those old farm roads and taking us down to the cabin last night. If you like this type of stuff, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a comment below to say that you want to see more like it, and I'll try to make the content when I can. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.